Hey YouTubers, Whiteboards with the Whiteboards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking smoke detectors and I'm going to show you how to check your expiration date on your actual smoke detector. And during that project, we're going to show you the proper and safe way how to remove your smoke detector from its actual mount on the ceiling. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, above on the ceiling is our smoke detector, and here's what we are going to do first. Hop up on a chair or ladder. Be careful, you don't want to fall off, obviously, during this project. Shift the smoke detector to the left, and it should carefully come off its securing mount that secures it to the ceiling. On the bottom side, you have an electrical connection point. And right inside this actual detector, you will see your expiration date. And as you can see here, July 28, 2008, and smoke detectors are recommended to be replaced every 10 years. So we are outside of that, so we are going to replace this. As far as the electrical connection point, this little tab on the back side, push down on this, and you'll notice it raises the front portion of the electrical connection point, and with your other hand, carefully shift this electrical connection point up and off while you apply pressure to this back side. At this point, the smoke detector is removed and there is the electrical connection point. You have 3 open slots, and those are for your 3 electrical leads that stick out of your smoke detector. And let's head to the table. Okay, YouTubers, at the table now, and again, smoke detector on the rear side, you have your date. And again, usually 8 to 10 years is the recommended. You can go as long as 10 years from people I've talked to. However, outside of 10 years, your smoke detector is not reliable and you will want to replace this, because if you don't, then your electrical system and smoke alarm system in your household does not meet proper code. And in the event that you're trying to sell your house and you get a buyer and they do an appraisal and full inspection on the house, it's very possible that those inspectors will see that your smoke alarms or detectors are expired or outside that 8 to 10 year time frame, and they might ding you for that and possibly fail your inspection, or they can pass you as long as you replace the long overdue smoke detectors. So what I want to do now, flip it up on its side. This is your little battery access door, and if yours is the same as ours, just shift it back and you will want to pull the 9-volt battery up and out. Now, very important step, this smoke detector is still holding an electrical charge. Push and hold for about 10 to 15 seconds and drain all that electrical power from the unit. And keep compressing that hush button, because any remaining electrical charge needs to be taken out or released from this detector. Okay, from here, this is junk and you can dispose of that properly. Or you can take this with you to your local Lowe's or Home Depot or Ace Hardware to purchase an exact replacement detector. And once you get the brand new detector, you will want to verify that you have a brand new battery. Double check that this is a 9-volt, but make sure it's above 9 volts, because over time, when these are in the package at the store sitting on the shelf, if they sit on the shelf for a couple years, it's very possible that these can drain below 9 volts. And if they do, these smoke detectors will let you know that these are below 9 volts. So once you get a brand new battery, you'll insert it properly. And the access door, you may have to just apply pressure on the front portion and slide it in place. Notice how it's blinking red and green. You will want to push and hold this. We're looking for 2 quiet tones, and then the 3rd tone will be rather loud. Push and hold. Okay, that basically sets your new detector to its proper configuration. From here, you can head to the actual electrical connection point on the ceiling and install your brand new detector. All right, YouTubers, back at the actual securing mount and hardwiring connection point. And again, this is the old detector. I'm just using this for this video. We are actually going to replace this later on this evening. However, you will notice with the electrical connection point, you've got a little slit right there in between these holes. You've got 1 hole on the far right and 2 close together. And if you want to align this properly, you will have the 2 electrical leads on the left-hand side, as you see here, and the single lead on the right-hand side. Properly align those and secure that electrical connection point. I'll need both hands, sorry about that. All right, making progress at this point. The electrical connection point is properly secured, and from here, you will just shift this up and you'll turn it until it latches in place and secures itself. And from here, you have a brand new smoke detector, and hopefully it should not beep. Real quick, YouTubers, one last step, and it's pretty darn important. From here, now that you are fully secured on the actual ceiling mount, verify that you have a green light. In the event that this is flashing red, you need to remove this detector, remove the battery, drain the remaining electrical power once again, put the battery back in, reconnect it, and secure it, and see if that works. From here, a stationary, steady green light that shows you or informs you that your smoke detector is in its proper configuration. All right, YouTubers, it is the next day now, and in front of us is a brand new smoke detector. We took the old smoke detector that we just showed in this video to our local Home Depot because we wanted to match it, and we wanted to purchase the exact replacement part to match the other detectors throughout the house. However, over the years, the electrical connection point has changed, but that's not a big deal. So with that said, here's the new detector. We are going to install this, and in the event that you need step-by-step guidance on how to install this brand new smoke detector, what we will do is post a link to that video down below in the comments section as well as in the description. So definitely check that video out. You may find it very helpful. So again, we hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we hope the video helped, and we'll see you at the next video.